What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to continue working on the neon, getting this car prepped and ready for the paint booth. Today we're going to be focused on the trunk and the rear bumper. We're going to be removing all the badges, the third brake light, the key from the trunk, as well as everything inside that we'll need to be able to get the tail lights removed, and then take the rear bumper off, get this bumper prepped, primed, and ready for paint. We'll also go into removing the fender liners inside the rear of the bumper, as well as the splash guards. So let's get started and get this taken care of. So the first thing we're going to get taken care of is removing the entire wiring harness for the third brake light and the trunk latch, which runs inside the trunk lid itself and down the hinge. Next, we're going to be using a heat gun to lightly warm this area of the trunk and this area of the trunk so we can remove the Dodge emblem, the neon emblem, and the SXT Dodge below it. We're going to start removing the rear bumper. This bumper is held on using 3 10mm bolts along the base of the quarter panel, as well as these screws in the joint between the trunk lid and the bumper. Bumper removed from the car. Overall, not too difficult. Now we're going to move on to getting this bumper out of the garage, getting it sanded down, get any scratches filled in it, and get the full thing primed so it's ready for the paint booth.